The National Task Force to End Local Communist Armed Conflict is not red tagging celebrities Liza Soberano and Catriona Gray. This was clarified by the task force's Legal Cooperation Cluster spokesperson. He stressed the task force follows due process. He added what the task force is doing is to protect legitimate dissent and stop the use of criticism to promote advocacies of the communist groups.
Thank you for watching Politiko TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.